Hello, everyone. The topic conversation we'll be having today will be about technology. Technology has influenced a generation now, since the early 90s, till the foreseeable future. It has taken almost over our lives, changing the way we communicate with each other, the way we interact with the world, the way we perceive information. But the real question, though, is how has technology actually had this efficient and very rapid impact on the world? I would like to discuss and to present this answer with three topics: efficiency, scalability, and accessibility. First of all, we're going to talk about scalability, which is the speed at which information is transferred. Now, the digital technology Google.com, which is the most popular search engine in the world, it allows users to watch videos, access content online, as well as connect with other people. And that's at a very, very high time speed, which is why scalability is a major important feature in a digital technology platform. And it also indicates how quick information can be traveled in a technology driven society. But now, another feature that is very impactful in this technology world is accessibility. In fact, technology is all about accessibility. The fact that people, humans, everyone is able to access through an online platform, basically having just a internet connection. In fact, an example of accessibility of knowledge would be the digital platform, Babel, which allows users to access a wide range of online courses that are designed to help them learn different languages. Now, according to the company itself, 73% of these users, they can indicate that they are able to undergo a basic normal conversation in the language that they're speaking to after just a few hours of having those courses. Hence, it shows how accessible knowledge can be transferred and can be accessible in a digital age. But technology is also provides also efficiency to our society. In fact, the iOS app Health that can be found in any Apple product can help users to monitor many factors of their body. For example, they can monitor their physical activity, how many steps they take during the day. They can monitor their sleep, how many hours they've been sleeping. Or also they can monitor their nutrition, how many calories they've eaten, showing how important, how impactful technology can be also in the future with artificial intelligence. But although these are very important benefits, we also have to remember the limitation and the drawbacks of technology. And the concern will be there about data. Now, data is what we transfer basically to the big tech companies. All the personal information, like by sharing, liking online, that will be then transferred to them. We have to be aware that these companies store a massive amount of data, and this data that is shared with them, we don't really know what they use. And in fact, it can also be breached. An example would be in 2017 when the credit agency Equifax has suffered a data breach of 143 million US consumers that was registered with Equifax have seen their names, addresses, and sometimes also credit card numbers being stolen in that data breach. What we can control, what we can deduce from that is to strengthen the data protection laws in order to control and protect our safety and be more secure from these data breaches. We can conclude this conversation saying that technology has now defined our society, and I will also say define our generation. And by that I mean that the Generation Z will be the only generation from here to the future. Thanks for hearing me.